It's another beautiful day, and I am super grateful. Let's watch this amazing video from a great man and learn.
My daughters, be patient. Let an old man speak, for the words of an elder are like a well-seasoned pot. They may be dark on the outside, but the soup inside brings life. I have spent over 30 years watching marriages bloom and watching others wither like grass in the dry season. Today, I want to say something that might taste like bitter leaf in your mouth, but remember that the bitter leaf is what cleanses the stomach. These days, I hear the word toxic flying around like dry leaves in the harmattan. Every woman says her husband is the problem, her marriage is a cage, and the man is a monster. But listen to me carefully. For what an old man sees sitting down, a youth cannot see, even if he climbs the tallest Iroko tree. In my decades of sitting with couples, I have found a hidden truth that many are too proud to admit. Many of you who cry toxic are actually the ones making the home a furnace. You want a king, but you do not provide a throne of peace. You want a man to be a pillar, but you are the termite eating away at his foundation with your tongue and your pride. The proverb says that if a bird learns to fly without perching, the hunter must learn to shoot without missing. But I say to you, if a woman makes the nest uncomfortable, the bird will eventually fly away. We must stop blaming the wind for blowing when we are the ones who left the door wide open. You cannot bring fire into a house and complain that the curtains are burning. I have seen many women who are simply difficult to be married to. Too proud to listen, too quick to shout, and too stubborn to build. They call it strength or knowing their worth. But the elders know that a tree that refuses to bend when the wind blows will surely snap. If you change your husband 10 times, but you do not change your character, you will only have 10 different stories with the same sad ending. A person who is being carried on someone else's back does not know how long the road truly is. Before you point your finger at the man, look at your thumb. It is pointing straight back at your own chest. Marriage is not a battle to be won, it is a garden to be tended. If the garden is full of weeds, do not just blame the sun. Check if you are the one planting the thorns. Take this wisdom home, reflect on it, and remember that a peaceful home is built with the hands of a woman who knows that silence is sometimes more powerful than 1,000 angry words. May your homes find rest. Now share this video to reach our women, and together let us rebuild marriages. Gracias.
Wow, what an amazing video. I know this video is personally for someone, and I hope you learned something from this. Thank you for watching. Bye.